So hello there everyone watching, Mr. Dev here. So in today's video, we are gonna make our enemy like in Geometry Dash. It's the spike that kill the player, but I don't know what I will make the enemy. So after searching from Google what turtle is scared of, and it is just showing me shit. It's scared of humans, it's scared of animals. So after like some minutes, I came out with this idea. I will make a story of the turtle that it has come to a corporate world where there is a block that's called black block or black hole that will instant kill the turtle. So yeah, so now the left thing is coding. So when this block collide with our player and he's gone to another dimension and he's not dead. So if we now save that, go back to Unity. So as you know, I have a little brain. So I tried a lot of things, nothing is working. I think I will solve the problem in tomorrow's video because I need to do a lot of work. So bye.